In this video, I would like to share with you the main difference between local SEO and Google My Business SEO. So basically, when you hear someone talking about Google My Business SEO, this means that they're talking about the local pack results here on Google. This block that is displayed here on the top of the search results that shows 3 businesses together with a map and their links to their website and directions and their working hours and their star rating. This block, which is also called a 3-pack or a local pack, is the result of Google My Business page SEO. This is the Google My Business page results, not the regular website SEO results, but Google My Business page results. Now here's another one. And this is a search for best CPA in New York City. So this is also a local pack with 3 businesses, and it's displayed at the very top of the search results. Now, why it's good to be here, why every business owner wants to be here, there's one very simple reason. When you're in the 3-pack, you actually get the absolute majority of calls. People looking for a service provider in a certain location, most of those people will actually contact one of those 3 businesses in the 3-pack, and they would normally not scroll down to read more information. They're simply looking for a service provider. What we can see here just below the Google 3-pack, this is the list of websites, and every business showing here is actually the result of proper local SEO. So local SEO is usually not the same thing as Google My Business SEO. And Google My Business SEO is what every business should focus on first, because this is what brings the best result. This is what brings the most calls. This is what results in people who call you telling you that they already chose to work with you because they saw you in the 3-pack on Google. So if you need any help getting here, this is what I do, and I would be more than happy to take a look at what you currently have and what your competition is doing and seeing if and how I could help. So get in touch, and I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.